Have you ever wanted to go to a creative conference or a workshop before and you didn't quite know what it would be like or what to expect? Hey there, my name is Ashlyn Carter. I'm the calligrapher and copywriter behind the brand Ashlyn Writes, and I recently got to speak at my friend Caitlin Holland's workshop, The School of Styling, a workshop I had heard so many incredible things about, and it was absolutely beautiful. I wanted to share some of the kind of D-list level iPhone footage that I shot, but I also included some of the images beautifully captured by my friends Allie and Bobby. I hope you enjoy.